Good morning. It's another blessed morning. It is early in the morning. I'm sorry it's very dark because it's still kind of dark outside. But we're on our way to pick up another Poplin order, and then I'll be going to work. So let's go. Tell me why this young lady did not have her laundry together. So I had to wait. When she requested me, and enough time yesterday for her to have her laundry together. I believe I got the request. I'm going to close out the video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Be blessed.